Why'd you have to come back in right then, right when I was just getting good and gone? Guess I was in the wrong place at the wrong time. You must have heard I was moving on. Then right out of the blue, 2:15, I'm all about you. But now it's just about over you. Now it's just about over you. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this song that was requested. This song is called Just About Over You, and it's by Priscilla Block. Never heard of her, never heard of this song, but it was requested, and guess what? I like it. It's a good song. So I'm going to teach you how to play it, okay? So before I get into it, please hit like so that more people can see the video, and because that's what YouTube does. The more people that hit like, the more people they serve it up to. And then also, please hit subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future, okay? Let me know if you have any other requests in the comments and stuff. I'll get to them as best as I can. Yeah, and then also if you have any questions as well, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to get to them for you, okay? So let's get into it. Standard tuning, no capo, as you can see. The song only has 4 chords. The chorus, you only use 3 of them. I'm going to show you where you play the chords exactly. Excuse me. I'm going to show you where you play the chords and everything, where you, like with the different lyrics and stuff. And I'll show you a couple different strumming patterns that you can use that I think are where, I don't know if she's playing this or her band or whatever, but I'll show you kind of like where they will slow it down and stuff like that. So let's get into it. Okay, so the chords you're going to use to start with this song, you're going to use C sharp minor, okay, which is technically a bar chord, okay? So you're going to be on the 4th fret. You're going to put your pointer finger on the A string, and you're going to bar it, all right? And then you're going to do the rest like a power chord. So you're going to put your ring finger on the 6th fret on the D string, and your pinky goes, I don't know if that helps, you can see that your pinky goes on the 6th fret on the G string, and then you're going to put your your middle finger on the 5th fret on the B string. Okay, so it sounds like that. Now, if you have a hard time doing all that, just don't bar the whole 4th fret. Okay, a lot of people have been telling me like, oh, I have a hard time with bar chords. Can you show me a way to do it without barring it? That's what you do. You just don't bar it. Okay, so it won't sound quite as good. All right. But really it's only going to make a difference for like 1 string in this situation. So don't worry about it. Also, a tip that you can use is you can see I am having my pointer finger touch the E string so that it mutes that one. All right. Hear that? If you don't mute it, it sounds like that. So just a little bit different. But so that's what you're going to use first, a C sharp minor. Okay. And you're going to use A, E, then B. Okay. So for B, you're technically supposed to do it like this. All right, but for you guys who are beginners, like you can do that. You can totally use B like this if you want to. I'm showing you how to do it though, where you can just go from B, do it if you play it this way without your middle finger. So you just play B like that, like a power chord. And then you can slide it up to C sharp minor. And then all you have to do is put your middle finger down. See that? You slide it up. Okay, now I'm going to tell you this is not the exact way that they play it in every way, okay? It's just a way that I think sounds close. It's got the right rhythm and everything. So if there's other strumming patterns and stuff, feel free to add them in, or other, chords or whatever. But this is just one way to play it, okay? So don't get uptight if it's not exactly how you've seen her play it. So, all right, so you're going to start with C sharp minor. You're going to do down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so that's a very easy strumming pattern for this song. It's just down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Okay, so that's very easy. Now, so you're gonna do that twice. You're going to go through the chord progression of C sharp minor, A, E, B, and then repeat it. C sharp minor, A, E, B. Sorry, B. I did B sharp, B minor. Okay, and then you're gonna go straight into it and go back to C. But when you do So when you're doing it for the intro, you're gonna play it a little bit louder like that, maybe like. Okay, like that. And then when you go into the verse, you're gonna play it softer. So it's still, you can strum it the same, you're just gonna play it a little bit softer. So you're gonna be, I've stopped looking for your truck every time I go somewhere. Okay, so you're gonna do it like that. You're gonna play a little bit softer for the verses. Now, for this verse, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna still do the C sharp minor, A, E, B. You're gonna play that throughout the first verse and throughout the verses except for the bridge. The bridge is different, so make sure you stick around for that at the end. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, you just do C sharp minor, A, E, B the entire time rotating through the verses except for the bridge. So you're gonna do C sharp minor on I've stopped looking is A, looking for your truck every time, so every is E, every time I go somewhere is B. Okay, so then I is C sharp minor, I don't scroll is A, scroll through the past anymore, at the end of anymore is E, anymore, cause I don't care. I've, finally is C sharp minor, finally putting on a shirt is A, shirt like I like tight jeans is E, jeans big hoops with my hair up high. Okay, hair is B, hair up high. The least is C sharp minor, the least you could have done is A, done was give me the bar tonight. And then you're gonna do down, up, down at the end on B, okay? What? And then you could mute it, or you can just kind of like let the B ring. Why'd you have to come? Okay, so then now you're gonna go straight into the chorus. Now for the chorus, you're not gonna use C sharp minor, so you're just doing A, E, B the whole time. So you're gonna do why'd you have to come? Okay, and then you're gonna wanna play the chorus louder. Why'd you have to come? Come is A, come back in right then. Okay, right then is E, right then, right when I was just is B, just getting good and gone. Why'd you have to, oh sorry, guess I was in the wrong place. Wrong is A, wrong place at the wrong time. Wrong time is E, wrong time you must have heard is B, heard I was moving on. Then right out of the blue, 2:15, I'm all about you. So you do right out of the blue is A, out of the blue, 2:15, quarter is E, 2:15, I'm all about you. I was just about over. Okay, so when you do you, I'm all about you is B, and you keep playing B, and you say when I was just about over. Okay, that over you're gonna do A, over you. E, B. When I was just about over A, E, B. So you're gonna do when I was just about over you. Down, up, down, 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 up, down. So that's how you're doing for when I was just about over you, okay? So now you know how to play 3/4 of the song. So when you get to the bridge after the second chorus, all right, so then you're just gonna play A, B, A, B. So you're just playing ABBA, kind of, okay? Or sorry, ABAB. So you're just gonna do single strums here, all right? Maybe you caught me on a bad is A, bad night. Maybe tomorrow I'll be just as B, I'll be just fine. Maybe it's the red is A, red wine that put you back in my mind. Okay, my mind is B, my mind. All right, now that's how you do it. I would also recommend that you only single strum the second verse. Now you don't have to, but that's what I think sounds better, and it'll give the song more variety. But I believe that's what they do on the album. Just on the second verse, okay? And you only do the single strums on the bridge as well. And then you go right back into the chorus at the end. Why'd you have to come back in right then, right when I was just getting good and gone? Guess I was in the wrong place at the wrong time. You might have heard I was moving on. Then right out of the blue, 2:15, I'm all about you. And now it's just about over you. Now it's just about over you. And then just do a single strum on B. Alright, that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Please subscribe and hit like, and I'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.